100W PD faster than ever. The Max 100W 20V5A output brings even large laptops to charge at full speed, fast fueling up your MacBook Pro 16 inches to 39% in 30 minutes or fully charging Samsung Galaxy S21 in 60 minutes, which is 52% faster than a 60W USB-C cable. Built to last. Aluminum housing, nylon braiding and 250D fiber core keeps the cable safe from fraying and splitting while withstanding 10,000 bending tests. The tangling-free design allows you to easily wind it up and stow it in a bag or drawer. Safe and stable charging. Unique eMarker Smart Chip intelligently matches required current and gets rid of a ton of warmth. Double-sided USB-C connectors with hard rubber end are designed for frequent insertions and tight connection without disconnection. Rapid data transfer. Offers transfer speed up to 480 megabits per second, USB 2.0. For you to move content like 1 GB movies, music, document or an entire photo library in 30 seconds. Open black lens bracket not support video output. Close black lens bracket. Universal compatibility. Unlike the market S most USB-C cable incapable of charging high-power devices, UGREEN Type-C to Type-C cable can compatible seamlessly with laptops, MacBook Pro 2021, etc., cell phones, Samsung S21, Google Pixel, LG, etc., tablets, iPad Pro, etc., Switch and more. Open black lens bracket suitable for any phone case. Close black lens bracket. Top reviews from the United States. Great cables. I order 3 to be able to charge an iPad Pro, MacBook, and my iPhone. The cables are well made and allow me to fast charge my devices.